Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. Yeah, Link's price is pretty much unchanged from yesterday. It has basically moved a little bit too high for this to be still a fourth wave. So we might very well actually take that off the chart. Yeah, the thing is, this is a little too high for it's a corrective rally. So it could technically still be a fourth wave. Maybe I'll leave it on here. I just don't want to make it more complicated. The situation obviously is that after this wave one topped here, we talked about that extensively. Don't really need to talk about the entire structure to the upside. So it was a 5-wave move up from the June low to the March high, in my opinion. Then obviously from there, we started this corrective pullback, which I am labeling as a WXY structure. And the Y wave is an A, B, C pattern. And the C wave could be unfolding right now. That's the idea. But in this scenario, the C wave, obviously as a 5-wave move, should be a 5-wave pattern. And the fourth wave is obviously a bit too high, right? So normally we don't want to see necessarily a fourth wave that goes beyond the 61.8 retracement. As you can see, it's slightly, a second. No, I need to draw this. Yeah, it's moved quite a bit above the 61.8. Didn't sustain above it, but it's quite large. It doesn't really look right anymore. So it could very well rather be a B wave, okay? Does it matter in practice? Not really. As long as it's a 3-wave rally, it could easily just be a B wave or a wave 4. It doesn't matter so much to me. It's more like if we get one more low, then we have to watch 1065 next as support. And then we have the green support line there around 950. And then $8.90. These are the next support levels. If we get one more low, we might hit one of these. It's possible that the low is already in. Okay, that the low already formed on the 13th of April. Was it the 14th? No, I think the 13th. Late on the 13th. That could have been the low already. And we don't get one more low. All right. And again, we can get one more low as part of a C wave to the downside or a 5th wave to the downside. In practice, it won't matter that much which one it is. It's more an academic discussion. What we need to see, though, to indicate really that a low has formed or to confirm it, it's a 5-wave rally to the upside that I need to see. From this swing low that was formed on the 13th of April, we already have seen a wave 1, a wave 2. This here could be a 3rd wave. Could I say the 3rd is already finished? Maybe, but not trustworthy. The 3rd wave should really reach the 138% extension at $16.87. Minimally, the 1.236 extension located at $16.38. So still have at least one more push to do. Then I consider that a 3rd wave. And then we can add a micro support area for the 4th wave pullback as highlighted here in blue. And then we could get one more high and the 5th wave should reach minimally the 1.618 extension at $17.72. These levels haven't changed from the last video. Also the price wise, it's just been consolidating just below resistance. And it's at a critical point because this B wave or 4th wave could easily top here. I mean, the 4th wave is overextended. The B wave is acceptable, absolutely acceptable. The thing is that if we look at the internals of that wave structure, if I zoom in a bit, looking at the internals, what I normally use sort of as a first marker, if a top could be in, is we take the length of this move up because in the B wave in yellow or the 4th wave in white, this could be a first small A wave. The move down could be a B wave. And the move up could be a C wave. And the C wave often reaches the 100% extension level of the A wave. And that level is basically where we are, okay? So obviously you can see there where the 1.236 extension is starting. I haven't even shown the 100%, but it's basically there at $15.60. So the price reacted to it. And that's a key target for the C wave within this corrective structure. And therefore the top could be in, but we don't see any strong rejection. All I'm saying is if a C wave down is starting or a 5th wave, this would be the ideal spot to start it to the downside. But yeah, it takes at least a break below $14.56, this last swing low from Sunday, to indicate that the move to the downside has started, okay? Until then, just sideways consolidation. We need to see if 5 waves to the upside can form. Then we can say the wave 2 bottomed. We would then call that 5-wave move a wave 1. We can add the support level for the wave 2, and then we've got our next trade setup. At the moment, there isn't really anything to do, I think. I've got my grid bot running. I talked about that in one of the last videos. It's happy now, so we'll see what it does. And I'm happy either way. That's my update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.